Meaning of gunpowder.
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 Gunpowder. Gunpowder refers to a mixture of chemicals traditionally used in firearms and explosives. It is typically composed of saltpeter, sulfur, and charcoal, which are combined in specific ratios to create an explosive compound. When ignited, gunpowder burns rapidly, releasing hot gases that can propel bullets or cause explosions. This powerful chemical compound revolutionized warfare and led to the development of guns, cannons, and other modern weapons. With its ability to ignite rapidly and release energy quickly, gunpowder has transformed the way we think about and engage in combat.